Did you hear that?
What is it?
There it is again.
Look, what's that?
Right outside the tent. Right outside.
Dad!
Hey kids, time to go. You gotta see this. Trust me.
From the mountain high to the valley low, from the things we see to the great unknown, He is our true north, He is our way home. He is our guide in this world that's so wild. Let's trust in Jesus.